Hi guys, in front of me is TCL for DSE, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestion. So at first open the settings, then find and select system and go to languages and input. Now choose virtual keyboard and select Gboard. Here all you have to do is to enter emojis and stickers. Scroll all the way down, and here under suggestions while typing you will find emojis. So unless it is active, just make sure that this indicator is on. From now on you will have emoji suggestions on active. You can also personalize here emoji stickers, so once you want to deactivate it, just unmark the indicator, and whenever you want to turn it on, just click on the switcher. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.